So some application of trigonometry, that's only we are going to see. That is the 9th chapter in the CBSE. So application of trigonometry. Application of trigonometry. Okay. So this is the thing we need to read. Okay. Right down. Next, what you need to focus. Application of trigonometry. Right. Next, ratios. Maximum 3 ratios you need to prepare for this one. Okay. First, what is the sine ratio? Like that, cos theta ratio and tan theta ratio. This all the 3 ratio you must remember for this chapter. For that, definitely we need one right angle triangle, that is A, B, C. Right angle I am giving in the B. Okay, children. Sorry, yeah, right angle I am giving the B. Angle I am taking anywhere. This theta, theta is there. Now, theta you can take C or A. I am taking in A. So angle opposite side is the opposite side. 90 degree opposite side is the hypotenuse. Okay. And this is opposite side. This is opposite side. And rest of the side is called adjacent. This is called adjacent side. Okay. This is adjacent side. So like that we have 3 sides. Now what is the ratio for this? Last revision day itself I told you for remembering this thing. Sokotova. This you can remember I said. Okay. Sine theta is useful for finding height. What is the height here? Opposite side is the height generally. So opposite side divide hypotenuse. Okay, like that cos theta is very useful for finding base, means adjacent. That is what adjacent. Adjacent divide same hypotenuse. Sine and cos, if you divide together, that is a tan theta. When you divide hypotenuse, hypotenuse will cancel. Sine theta divide cos theta. That is the concept. So sine theta divide cos theta is the tan actually. So that when you divide hypotenuse will cancel. So opposite side divide the adjacent side. This you will get it. So this 3 ratio you should remember. Apart from that, what is required, sir? Angles. What are the angles? 30 degree, 45 degree, this 60 degree. This 3 is the standard value for this chapter. So here you need to remember sine theta, cos theta as well as tan theta. Sine 30 in the sense 1 by 2. Sine 45 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree root 3 divided 2. How we are getting this values, all the things I have explained through whole number. I hope you people know this. You just write this value in a reverse order. The reverse order you just write it, you will get a cos theta. Reverse now 60 degree value comes for 30 degree. Root 3 divided 2. So this is same only, it never change, and 1 by 2 will come in the last. Last value we are writing first, middle value middle only. Again first value we are writing in the last. We are writing in a reverse way, not reciprocal way. Reversed we are using. Tan in the sense you just divide both sine theta and cos theta. When you divide here, you just see, let me show here. When you divide, see what is that? 1 by 2 divide root 3 by 2. See here, this 2 will be cancelled. Then what I am getting? In numerator we have 1 and denominator we have root 3. So tan 30 in the sense 1 by root 3 we are getting. Like that. This together, because sine by cos, I told you tan theta equal to sine by cos. So that only we are dividing. Okay. So 1 by root 2 divide 1 by root 2. See 1 by root 2 whole divide 1 by root 2. Then what I am getting? I am getting, see both are same, I cancelled it, then 1. That's it. Like that you have to. Okay children. So I am writing here 1. Same manner for 60 degree also. What is that? Root 3 divided 2 whole divide 1 by 2. So 2 denominator 2 is cancelled. Numerator we have root 3, denominator 1, which is equal to root 3 only. So 60 equal to root. And this thing is very important. If you know this value, means all these 3 ratios and this 3 table value if you know, the trigonometry 9th chapter, I mean application of the trigonometry is very, very easy to go. At the same time, another two definition you must learn. What is angle of depression? What is angle of elevation? These two things you must learn. Okay, right, children? Right. Now we'll go to next. You please make a note this page first. Please make a note. Write fast. Already you have these things, then no need to write these things. We'll go to directly next page. You just take a screenshot or else like that. We'll go to next. Yeah. Next, we have to see angle of inclination first. What is angle of inclination? That is very, very, very important. Angle of inclination. So generally, inclination, sorry, angle of inclination, angle, inclination, both are same only. I want to say angle of elevation, angle of elevation. Actually, inclination, angle, both will give same meaning only. So angle of inclination, both are same. Right, now angle of elevation. So elevation in the sense like elevator you can remember. Elevator what we will do? Whoever we have in the ground floor, they will take in the somewhere top floor or somewhere they will take. Somewhere in the sense it will take to our height. Okay. So same way, this is the bottom. Here we have some tower or building. So if you have in the ground floor now, the elevator will lift you in the top floor also. So that elevation in the sense, elevator you can remember. We have one point on the ground. From the point one person observing in the top of the building, that is called the elevation. Because the person need to see the top of the building, definitely he need to raise his head to see the top of the building. That is. So the distance between is high level and the top of the building is called, what is that? Line of sight. This is called line of sight. Okay, this is called the line of sight. This is called the base or horizontal line, whatever horizontal line you just think. Now the distance between a line of sight and horizontal line, this is there now. This only we'll call as a theta. The theta only angle of elevation. This is called what? Angle of elevation. This only we are telling angle of elevation. Okay, angle of elevation that you need to remember. Line of sight differ from angle of elevation. Line of sight in the sense distance between high level and object, that is called the line of sight. Angle of elevation, the angle between line of sight and horizontal line is there, that is called the angle of elevation. These two things you can remember. Okay, this is applicable for only right angle triangle. That is also you can remember. This we need to write. That's it. Okay. Next, angle of depression. Angle of depression. Suppose you are thinking, see, object we have actually elevation above the horizontal line. See, this is now horizontal line. I'm telling you, horizontal line or ground. Okay, so here object elevation above the, I mean this is the object here. Object. Let me tell you where is that. This is our object. Okay. Now see, object above the horizontal line is there. So angle of depression in the sense below the horizontal line. So this will take better ground level. Okay, this is will take as a ground level. This is ground level. Here ground level and horizontal level both are same, means in the elevation. But in depression it will be differ. Ground level differ from the horizontal. See, suppose I am taking one building here with 90 degree. I have one building. Okay, one person standing or sitting, whatever you think. So that is called the high level. High level only we need to say as a horizontal line. Okay, so this is our horizontal line. Object is on the ground. Okay, on the ground we have. Right. Now the person watching the object see, he is standing on the building. Then definitely he need to lower his head. கீழே இருக்கிற பொருள் இப்படி கீழே குனிஞ்சு தானே பார்ப்போம், அதுதான் சொல்றேன். ஓகே, he need to lower is there to see the object. Okay, so distance between high level and object is called, you know, that is called line of sight. Line of sight, I told you already. Then what is this here? This is called theta. The theta only we are telling angle of depression, because I told you the angle between horizontal line and line of sight only we are calling as angle of depression. Depression now we are looking downward. Simple word you need to remember na. Depression in the sense we are looking downward. Elevation now we are looking upward. அவ்வளவுதான். மேல பார்க்குறோம் elevation, கீழே பார்க்குறோம் depression. அவ்வளவுதான். இப்போ என்னை விட ஒருத்தர் ஹைட்டா இருக்காரு, அவர் என் பக்கத்தில் நிற்கிறாரு, நான் அவரை பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னா நான் என் தலைக்கு என்ன பண்ண நல்லா இருக்கியாப்பா அப்படின்னு நான் கேட்கணும். ஸோ நான் when I'm looking upward, that is elevation. அந்த டாலா இருக்கிற பர்சன் என்ன பார்க்குறாரு, இப்படி பார்க்குறாரு, என்ன தம்பி நல்லா இருக்கியா, he looking downward. So that is depression. That's it. Like that you remember these two things. It's over. Understand? So this two definition and this ratios and tables is very important. Table you no need to prepare all things. Sine, cos, tan is enough for this chapter. Like this, sine, cos, tan ratio is enough, as well as this two definition. What is this thing? Here the very important thing, when we taking this theta, here it will come. Sir, suppose the theta value is 30 degree, the 30 degree will come here, because the horizontal line and the ground level will be parallel. And this line of sight will be act like a transversal. Then definitely these two angles will be equal because of alternate interior angles. Okay, so these things also you should remember. Then as well as what we followed in the angle of elevation, same thing we will follow, right? Let me go to a small problem. Okay, I will start from exercise itself. No, all the sums, let me tell you, you just see. First question, I will write the question, you just copy this. Okay, children, right? Now, you just see the example one, all of you. A tower, I hope you people have a question. A tower stands vertically. This tower stands vertically on the ground. So okay, it will go. I hope everyone have your textbook. Please take your textbook. If I write question, it will take long time. I will go directly. NCERT or CBSE book, page number 198. Page number 198. Please, you can take CBSE book or NCERT. Okay, CBSE. Right, this thing you can take. Right, page number 198. I said first question. Please, everyone, take your textbook and see the question. A tower stands on a vertical ground. First, we have to draw one ground level. Here, one tower standing vertically. They say one tower standing vertically in the sense it makes 90 degree. That is the concept. From a point on the ground. So you take any point on the ground. This is point on the ground, which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. The point from the foot of the tower. The point is 15 meter away. They said 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. Right. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60 degree. From the point on the ground, top of the tower, angle what is coming now? 60 degree. They said angle of elevation from the point to top of the tower found to be 60 degree. They said clearly. So give here 60 degree and draw the line. Find the height of the tower. We have to find the height of the tower. That's it. H. Okay. Now you just focus what is given. Before that, you just write theta opposite side is called the opposite side. 90 degree opposite side is called the hypotenuse. Rest of the side is called the adjacent. Okay. Now opposite is given. See, opposite is given and opposite need to find. H value need to find. Adjacent is given. So adjacent is given. Okay, opposite need to find. Okay, now what is the concept? Adjacent and opposite we have two. Based on this, what we have the ratio? Sine, cos, tan. You have to identify. See, let me tell you. Now we'll go to the previous page. You see this based on adjacent and opposite. Which ratio we have? Sine in the sense opposite hypotenuse. Leave it. Cos also adjacent hypotenuse. Leave it. But tan only we have opposite adjacent. So we are going to use it tan. Like that you have to guess your values. Like that you have to guess your values. Okay. Now I'm going to use it tan theta. Tan theta which is equal. First I'm writing the formula. Opposite divided adjacent. I'm writing the formula first. Then I'm going to use theta. Tan theta value is what? 60 degree they have given, which is equal to opposite name h I have given, right? Adjacent, what is that? 15. That's it. Tan 60 degree, which is equal to root 3. If you need it, you see the table. See, tan 60 degree equal to root 3. You have to remember these tables, okay? So this root 3 we are going to use. So root 3, which is equal to h divide 15. Divide value goes to opposite, it will multiple with that number. Then 15 into root 3, which is equal to h. That's it. So this is height of the building. That is our required value. If they given root 3 value, you can use. Otherwise, don't do anything. You understand what I'm telling? If they given root 3 value, you can use. Otherwise, don't do anything. Leave it. That's it. This type of question they may ask in 1 mark or 2 mark. That's it. The same thing only we are following for even for 5 mark also. Let me go for one question like that. Let's see one question. Okay, right. We'll take on a bigger one like this. Yeah. So first, let you see the even the second question itself. Okay, second question you see example 2 in the same page 198. Example 2. And actually they have given diagram. So you just draw this diagram. Diagram they have given like this. Here we have one ladder. They given some ladder. Okay. So this is the electrical pole. Actually, this is the electrical pole. Here all the lines are going like this. Right. The person is going here. The point name also they have given. This is A, and this ladder point they have given B. And this bottom point they have given D, and this foot of the ladder they have given C. That's it. Now the angle also they give, this is 60 degree. Let's see the value. They have given 60 degree. Let's go for this. Yeah. Okay. Now let's read the question. An electrician has to repair an electrical fault on pole of height 5 meter. Okay. The pole height they said 5 meter, means from here to here it is a 5 meter height. The electrical pole is a 5 meter height. You need to repair something. She need to reach a point 1.3 meter below the top. Okay. From the top level to here 1.3 meter below only she need to reach. Because later if she keep here now, she will go here and she will stand to, she will start to repair the work. Okay. So from the top of the pole to the below 1.3 meter below only she kept the ladder. Like that they have said. Okay. Pole to the undertake the repair work. Okay. What should be the length of the ladder that she would use which when inclination at an angle is 60 degree to the horizontal? What she used the ladder? What is the length of the ladder when it will make 60 degree? They tell you. Then we need to find the length of ladder. Okay. So would enable her to reach required position. And the lady and the தேவையான பொசிஷனை ரீச் பண்ண முடியுமா அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. Also, how far from the foot of pole should she place the foot of the ladder? Means they asking from the foot of the pole na D point, foot of the ladder C point. They ask to find also DC, that is Y value. Suppose we need to find X and Y. Also they asking. Root 3, they ask you to take 1.73. These things they have given. Alright, let's start to find. You listen carefully. Full length they have given 5. From the 5, 1.3. If you remove, what is the remaining part? 3.7. Okay, so this is BD value. That thing you just go here. So this thing you just write AD equal to 5 meter. And then they said AB is equal to 1.3 meter. Then I'm getting BD is equal what is that? 3.7 meter. They asked you to find a value of x comma y. What is x and y? I mentioned in the diagram. Okay, right. Now we'll start. First, we'll find the value of x. Listen carefully. Angle opposite side is the opposite side. Let me take different color for mentioning that. So theta opposite side is the opposite side. 90-degree opposite side is the hypotenuse. Rest of the side we will call as the adjacent. Okay. Now we need to find adjacent as well as hypotenuse. First we will go for hypotenuse. Listen carefully. Opposite is given. Hypotenuse need to find. Opposite is given. Hypotenuse need to together. What you will get? You will get sine theta or cos theta. What you will get? You just think. Opposite, hypotenuse together. Yeah, very good, very good. That is sine theta. So sine theta, which is equal to opposite divided hypotenuse. Okay. What is the opposite? Opposite in the sense what we have. The name BD. I'm writing here BD. In previous question, I didn't give any A, B, C, D. So that directly, you see here, I didn't give A, B, C, D. So directly I have used the HC 15 like that. But here we have A, B, C, D. So that I am substituting the name first. Hypotenuse name is DC. Now we'll go for a sine 60 degree. Sine 60, which is equal. BD length we have 3.7. And DC length x, that is need to find. Okay. Now sine 60 in the sense root 3 by 2 table. From the table I'm writing this. If you want the table, let me show. The table you should remember here. See here, sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. This thing you should remember, children. That is very, very useful. Okay. Now let's go for the next page later. Yeah. So sine 60 equal to root 3 by 2 we are using. So 3.7 divided x. My aim to find the x value. So x in denominator. It's needed in numerator for finding x. So take cross multiple. That's it. Okay. So when I'm taking cross multiple, what I'm getting root 3 into x, root 3x, which is equal to 3.7 into 2. That's it. X only is required. Then root 3 I don't want. You send the opposite. Okay. Before that you multiply this together. Okay. 7 2s are 14, remaining 1. 3 7s are, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. 7.4. Multiple root 3 goes to opposite, it will be divided. Okay, that's it. You just add 7 plus 4, what I am getting? 11. 7 plus 4, what I am getting? 11. So that it is not possible to divide, cancel by the 3. But root 3 value they have given something. What was that? 1.73. Okay, let's take the root 3 value. So x, which is equal to 7.4 divided 1.73. This thing only they have given. Now you, for removing this decimal value, better you multiply 100 divide 100, then only it will go the decimal value. Then only it's very easy to divide. I'm telling you, that is your wish. Without multiplying 100 also you can divide if you can. But it is very easy to go. When you multiply by 100, I'm getting 173. Without a point, I'm getting here 7410. Because point after here only one number, so another 10 will come. 7400. When you divide this two things, you will get some value. What is that value? 4.28 approximately. Okay, 4.28 approximately only we are getting this. You need to divide this. Okay, this is value of x. Long division you can use. Now we'll go for finding the y, that is adjacent. Okay. Now what is the adjacent? Let's see. So we have opposite. Adjacent need to find. So opposite adjacent together in the sense what is the ratio will come? Sine, cos, tan. In the sense what is that? What you will guess? Tan theta only. In tan theta only we have a adjacent opposite. Sir, one doubt, sir. In right angle triangle, we have two sides are now BD 3.7, sir. X value we have 4.28, sir. Shall we use the Pythagoras theorem, sir? Yes, you can. Okay, which is comfortable, which you feel is better way, which you feel very easy way for you, that you can go. Definitely they will give full mark. Definitely they will give full mark. Okay, but this for me is a trigonometry is comfortable, so I'm going through trigonometry. Let's go with this. So tan theta equal to opposite divide adjacent. Okay, right. Now what I have the tan degree. What is that? 60 degree. Opposite in the sense 3.7. Adjacent we need to find, that is y. Directly I am giving opposite na. Let me tell the name BD. Adjacent DC. Those who need the name from the right angle triangle I mentioned. Now let's go further. Tan 60 in the sense that is root 3, which is equal to 3.7 divided by y. Root 3 where I am getting from the trigonometric table. You see the trigonometric table, children. You never do the mistake. See tan 60 degree which is equal to root 3. Here we have. Okay. So you see the trigonometric table. It is very useful. Okay. Right. You take cross. You send this y opposite because we need to find y only. Y into root 3. Y root 3. 3.7. That multiple root 3 comes to opposite. Now it will be divide. Okay, like see, when I'm sending opposite, y into root 3, y root 3, which is equal to 3.7. This multiple root 3 goes to opposite, now it will be divide. Now also you just use the root 3 value they given to use 1.73. Multiple like that 100 in both numerator and denominator for removing the decimal. Now 173 I'm getting. When you multiple 100, what I'm getting? 370. When you divide this, what I'm getting approximately 2.14. So I'm writing from the textbook this value, but you should divide it. If you know this directly, you can write, no problem. This is also approximately 1 by. Okay, and this everything is a meter. This is a meter, and this is also meter. That's it. We got it. So this type of question they may ask in 5 mark or in 3 mark also. Understand, children? Right. I hope you understand this. You please make a note. I will give time. We'll go to next. Actually, example 3 I asked in the last test. Everyone attended in a proper way. Maybe few students did mistake. So let me tell you, we have only 2 hours. Within 2 hours, I plan to complete all these 3 chapters. If you are taking for this chapter more time, it will take. So let's go one by one. So if you have any other doubt here, you will just tell me. We'll go. Shall we go to next page? You want to write this? Yeah. Yes, I'm going. Okay. Wait. I'm just. Yeah. 6x equal to secant theta. 6 by x equal to tan theta. Find something. Example 5 or that. Okay. Oh, you asked some other question. Example 5. Okay. Let's see the example 5. Book bag. Let's complete the book bag. Example 5 from the textbook. Example 5 will complete. Page number 201. Page number 201. Page number 201. Example 5 we are going now. Okay. You see the textbook there, Rajan. The shadow of tower standing on a ground level is found to be 40 meter. Okay. Tower in the sense generally ground level we will draw. Tower in the sense it will stand like a 90 degree on the ground. So I did like this. This is one tower. One straight line I given like vertically. That is our tower. The shadow of tower standing on a ground level found to be 40 meter longer when sun altitude is 30 degree. Sun at 30 degree than when it's 60 degree. So sun suppose we have here. Okay, sun suppose we have here. That shadow will come left hand side only. So we are getting 2 type of shadow. One 60 degree, another one 30 degree. Okay. So which is 60, which is 30, you may get doubt here now. You think children here 90. 90 nearest value 60. Okay, the longest value 30, like that you can give. Simple to remember this angles. Understand, children? Right. See, 90 degree nearest value is a 60 degree and longest value is the 30 degree. Like that you can give, because they have given both 30 degree and 60 degree. And they are given one measurement 40 meter. 40 meter, what they said now, see, found to be 40 meter longer when sun's altitude is 30 than when it is 60 degree. When you compare 60 degree and 30 degree, 40 meter is longer is 30, they tell you. Compared to 60 degree, 30 degrees 40 meter longer, like that they telling. Means from here to here alone, they are telling 40 meter. Compared to 60 degree, 40 meter is longer in the sense. From the 60, how much is longer? 40 meter, that's it. Compared to 60 degree, 30 degree makes 40 meter longer in the sense. 60 degree எங்க end ஆகுதோ அங்க இருந்து 30 degree வரைக்கும் 40 அப்படின்றது தான் மீனிங். சரிடா ராஜா? ரைட். நெக்ஸ்ட், find the height of the tower. So in the height of the tower நம்ம find பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. அவ்வளவுதான், simple. Okay, now I don't know about this from here to here. This let me take as a x. You 40 meter எடுத்தாங்க இல்லையா, I am taking your x meter and the h meter. So x they didn't ask to find, sir. H only they asked. Yes, but without x we cannot move for h. That is what I am taking like this. Okay, children. Now you need to write about what is this thing. Just one or two line you can explain, but directly I am going now. Okay. Let me take that 60 degree first. 60 degree triangle I am taking. If I am taking 60 degree, you just listen. Okay, theta opposite side is the opposite side. 90 degree opposite is the hypotenuse. Rest of the side is called adjacent. Adjacent we have x. Opposite we need to find h. This two only we have. I don't know about hypotenuse. So x is the adjacent, h is the opposite. Then we have opposite and adjacent. Then what you will use? Simple. Okay, I am going to use tan theta. This how we are getting from the ratio. I told you sine, cos, tan. How you need to identify in the sense by the given. By the given, what we need to find. That too you just compare, children. You just compare. Definitely you will get this. Okay. So adjacent x, opposite h. This two only we have. About hypotenuse I don't know. So you just leave it. What is that? I am taking tan theta. And the matter compare panninga, you will get it. So opposite divide at what is that? Adjacent. Okay. Now tan, what is the theta we have for the small triangle? 60 degree. I am taking 60 degree, which is equal to opposite. What I have assumed h divide. Adjacent for the small triangle alone, you just see that is 60. Sorry, x 60 degree, but x is the adjacent. Okay. Now tan 60 degree, which is equal to √3. That is h divide x. Now divide x, if we send opposite, what I am getting, it is multiple with √3. X into √3, what I am getting, x into √3, which is equal to h. Take answer number 1. Let me give box. Now I got a h value in terms of x. I got h value in terms of x, but I need exactly in number something. Okay, then we'll go for next triangle. Triangle, if I am taking that 30 degree triangle, basis fully you have to measure. When I'm taking 30 degree angle, you have to measure full thing you have to take. Here 40, here x. Together what is that? 40 plus x. Full length you have to take. But height is same only, it never change. So when you take 30 degree, I will draw small triangle about the 30 degree. So this is 40 plus x and this is the h. Here 90 and this is 30 degree. The bigger 30 degree triangle only I did here. Now let me go. Opposite h. Base we have 40 plus x. Here also tan only. So tan theta, which is equal to same opposite divide adjacent. Okay, like tan 30 degree, which is equal to opposite only h divide adjacent. I know, so what is that? 40 plus x. Tan 30 in the sense 1 by √3 from the trigonometric table. Right hand side I have h divided 40 plus x. Right, sir? Now let me substitute sorry, h value. H value here we have. Okay, you just take cross multiple before that. 40, 1 into 40 plus x, 40 plus x, which is equal to root 3 into h. When I am taking cross multiple, I am getting like this. Okay, but my aim to find the value of h. We have your two chances. H value now, this full expression try to change in the form of h, then you will get the value of h. Then x we need to remove. This full h irundha h value kandupidichidalam. This x irukilla, x value we have from the answer number 1. See, from answer number 1 you just try to find the value of what is that, x. X value find பண்ணலாமா? Shall we find the value of x from here? See, x multiple with root 3. X value alone you can take. Multiple root 3 goes to opposite, it will be divided. Suppose I am taking this as answer number 1. What is that? X equal to h by root 3. ஏன் நான் அப்படி பண்றேன் சார் அப்படின்னா, எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ரெண்டு மூணு x வேல்யூ தேவையில்லை எனக்கு. x வேல்யூ கேட்டாங்கன்னா x ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க h க்கு போகலாம். பட் they asked only directly the value of h. அப்ப நீ x கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. ஜஸ்ட் நம்ம ஒரு ஃபார்மேட்டுக்கு எடுத்தோம், அவ்வளவுதான். அதை நம்ம லீவ் பண்ணிட்டு டைரக்டா நம்ம h க்கு போகலாம். அப்போ 40 பிளஸ் வேல்யூ ஆஃப் x. x என்னது? h by root 3. h by root 3 which is equal to root 3 into h. அவ்வளவுதானா சார், முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. இப்போ h full one side. This h by root 3 you take opposite side. So already I have h root 3 in the right hand side. This goes to opposite, minus h divided root 3. Take cross multiple. Root 3 into root 3, 3. You just remember root 3 into root 3, 3. So I am writing here 3h minus h divided by root 3. So here I have 40. Send this root 3 opposite side. Then what I am getting here? 40 root 3 which is equal 3h minus h. I am getting 2h. You can cancel it now. One time this is 20 times. Then 20 root 3 which is equal to h I am getting. This is required value of what is the tower or building, that is tower. Therefore height of the tower is 20 root 3. Like that you have to complete. Understand children? That's it. You just make a note for this. Okay. So idhile ungalku or syllabus purinjirukku nalla perfect ah. So wherever sum irundha nam polla, I will do this. Okay, right. Just a minute. Yeah, right. Okay, okay, children. You just make a note now. We'll go to next sum. A different sum na, like example 7 is there. That is some like a bank of river like that they have given. Let's go for that. Okay, yeah. Let's go for the next one. Let's see what they're asking one by one. We'll go. Yeah. Let me do. I told you already, people's asking one question continuously. Let's complete the textbook first, then we'll go for whatever the creative sums. Okay. Example 7. Example 7. You please don't write anything. Example 7 will go. Right. From a point on a bridge. From a point on a bridge across a river. They didn't give any diagram. We have to see the diagram now. See, we have point on a bridge. So we have on a bridge. First, let me draw the ground level. This is ground level. Bridge na above the ground level, they will construct like that here maybe. Okay. So the road will go maybe like that. So here they will use. So this is a bridge. Okay. So from a point on a bridge, the point P. I'm taking point P. I'm taking. Okay. The angles of depressions of the bank of opposite side of the river 30 and 45. Here people make it where I want to take 40. So this is perpendicular line I'm drawing for the base. So here suppose I'm drawing. This is suppose bank of the river here, and this is also suppose bank of the river. Let me draw this. Yeah. So let me suppose I am taking this point, 2 point. This is bank of the river. Bank means that end point of the river. This is the river width. Okay, right. This is point A and point B. Like that I am taking. the vertical point D. So A point is what is the bank of river, one point, and this also B also what is end point of the river, like width of the river, like that. So it is, they said 30 degree they said, but I said angle of depression. Where I will take this, where I will take. Here can I take 30 or here can I take 30? That is your wish, sir. In textbook they have given something, that is not a problem, that is your wish. You can take 30 here, 45 here, it never change because height is common for both 30 and 45, so answer will never change. No need to get confusion here. Okay, 30 and 45 in textbook they have given different way, I'm using like that different. Okay, now if the bridge is at the height 3 meter more from the bank means from the river of the top, here on the water level that bridge we have 3 meter above. Okay, means height of the bridge they have given. Find the width of the tower. Suppose width in the sense this x and this y. X in the sense what? AB. Y in the sense what? DB. This two together x plus y they asking. X plus y. Width of the river na, we need to find x plus y. So what they ask you to find, what is x plus y they asking. What is x plus y they asking. Okay. Now let's go for that. Right. First I'm taking a small triangle. This triangle, a 45-degree triangle I'm taking. And that is, I'll draw here separately. Let me draw that. Here a 3 meter they have given. Okay. And this is A, B, P. Here we have 45 degree. And this is x, children. First we will find the x separately, then we will find y separately. Together we will add, later we will get the width of the river. Okay, children. Right. See here, opposite is given. Theta opposite side is opposite, you know. 90-degree opposite is hypotenuse, you know. Rest of the side is called adjacent, you know. Okay. Now let me go for finding the x. Right. So what you will use here? Tan. Sir, how you are telling tan? Because we have opposite and adjacent. Together what is there? Opposite divide adjacent. This is the thing. Okay. Now tan 45 degree, which is equal to 3 meter, opposite 3 divide adjacent x. Tan 45 now 1. Tan 45 in the sense what? What here? 1, which is equal to 3 divide x. Take cross multiple, what I am getting? 1 into x, which is equal to 3 meter. Yes, I got it. I got it, value of x. It's very easy to do this. See, but for y it's not easy. We just listen now. Okay. Now we'll go for y triangle. Y triangle always there in same manner I'm drawing. So this is a 30 degree. Here we have the name B, and here D. This is a 90 degree, and this is a P point. Okay, and here we have y. That's it. Here they have given 3 meter. And here also we need to find the opposite is given. We need to find adjacent. Then here also I'm using same tan theta, which is equal to opposite divided adjacent. Opposite divided adjacent. Understand? Now tan theta value we have 30 degree, which is equal to opposite in the sense that is 3 meter divided adjacent value y. Okay. Tan 30 from the trigonometric table we are writing 1 by root 3, which is equal to 3 divide y. That's it. Take cross multiple 1 into y, which is equal to 3 into root 3 root 3, and this is the value of y. Now they ask you to find the width of the river. I told you width of the river in the sense x plus y. So x plus y. Why I'm telling x plus width of the river? AB. So AB only we are writing x plus y. AB, sorry, AB not A. So x value we know 3 and y value is meter, sorry, and 3 root 3 meter. Together it's a meter. Okay, it's a meter. Now please take 3 commonly outside. We are getting 1 plus what is that? Root 3. So this is our required value. If they given root 3 value, you can use. Otherwise, no need to do anything. Leave it. Okay, this is our example 7, page number 202, 203. Together it's contact. So this one you can take. Understand, children? Right. So please make a note now. Children, I hope you people understand this. Now we'll continue the next one. Let me wait.
So show again the page, sir.
Yeah. Let me show. Wait. Let me show. I think, yeah, this one. Please. Okay, copy this. So in exercise, you have any other doubts? Now I have reached a time, I think 10 o'clock. Yeah, exactly 10 o'clock, 1 hour we paused. So another 1 hour we need to go for next 2 chapters. So you please listen, okay? In 9th chapter, you have any other doubts, Raja, from exercise? From exercise or example, anywhere you please tell me. We'll go to chapter number 10. Chapter number 10 we will go next. Then we'll go for 8th chapter. Chapter number 10 is one of the important and very easiest chapter. Even though that chapter also people asked a rethought, not revision, rethought ketirukanga. Then we'll go with chapter number 10. Shall we, ma? Shall we move? Shall we go to 10th chapter? Children, speak. Unmute your mic. Speak, children. Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I hope you people are perfect in the 9th chapter. You may get some idea about this. Like that only, you have to move one by one. You just try to do this. Okay. Now we'll go for the chapter number 10. Okay, children. Right. Yeah. Then what is that? We have a topic is circle. Circle is the topic. So you people know that. Okay, circle is the topic. Yes. Chapter number 10, circles. Right, children. In this one, what are the things like, sir, for a 9th chapter you gave some definition, some formulas you gave important. Like that, which is important in this chapter in the sense? Let me tell you, children, the important things we have here. What is that? 10th chapter. What is that? Theorems we have. Definitely they may ask the theorem in 2 mark also. 2 mark, 3 mark also they may ask. Yeah. We'll go to case study also, children. Just wait. Yes. So 2 theorems you need to, what is the remember? One, the theorem, let me tell you, theorem 10 point, what is that? One, in a same CBSE book, page number 208. Same, what is that? Page number 208, theorem 10.1. What they are telling? The tangent at any point of circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Okay, see again I'm reading. You need to understand what is the proof from the statement itself. See, the tangent at any point of circle. So first we are drawing one circle. Simply we are drawing one circle now. You just when you draw the tangent, we need one exterior point. Suppose I am taking down anywhere you take. When you draw the tangent like that, what is it? The tangent at any point of a circle. See, any point of circle. This is any point I am taking. This point. This is point P. In the point is perpendicular to the radius through point of contact. Radius in the center water from the center point to O to, if you join this P, that is called the radius. This line we need to say is a 90 degree. This OP makes it 90 degree. Suppose this line I am taking XY. This line I am taking XY. The OP line is perpendicular to XY. Okay, this is radius. The radius வந்து XY க்கு 90 டிகிரில இருக்குன்னு நம்ம சொல்லணும். ரைட், அவ்வளவுதான் கான்செப்ட். இது ஓகே, இது தியரம் விட்டுருங்க. இது ஆக்சுவலா தியரிட்டிக்கலி போகும். இது நான் சிம்பிளா உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன் பாருங்களேன். இப்போ நீங்க ஏதோ ஒரு சர்க்கிள் எடுக்கிறீங்க, சென்டர் பாயிண்ட் O இருக்கு. ஜென்ரலா இது ஒரு இதுதான் வந்து இப்ப இருக்கிற நம்ம கான்செப்ட். ரைட், இதை விட்டுலாம் இருங்க. இந்த திங்கே மறந்துடுங்க. இந்த சர்க்கிள் இந்த இதெல்லாம் விட்டுருங்க. இப்போ சிம்பிளா நான் ஒரு பாயிண்ட் ஒன்று எடுக்கிறேன். திஸ் இஸ் ஒன் பாயிண்ட். எங்கேயோ ஒரு பாயிண்ட் கிரவுண்ட் ஃப்ளோர், இது வந்து கிரவுண்ட் மாதிரி. தட் இஸ் லைக் XY. ஐ எம் டேக்கிங் சம் பாயிண்ட். நல்லா லிசன் பண்ண சொல்லும். இந்த O பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டா அக்யூரேட்ல ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டா ஒரு பாயிண்ட் நான் எடுக்கிறேன். ஓகே, லைக் தட் ஹியர் ஐ எம் டேக்கிங் ஒன் பாயிண்ட். திஸ் இஸ் பாயிண்ட் P, point 1, and this is point 2, and this is point 3. Like that I am taking. And this side, what is that point -1? Some like a number line I am giving. Okay, just for different name தான் கொடுக்குறேன். இப்போ பாரா चलो, you just join all this lines. இது எல்லாத்தையும் நீ ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்களேன். You just join all the point in this point P. You just join all the point into P. Sorry, O to P1, O to P3, like that. You just join all the point. Now see children, in the O point க்கும் இந்த P1, P2, P3 அது எல்லாத்தையும் நீங்க கம்பேர் பண்ணீங்கன்னா எந்த லென்த் சின்னதா இருக்கோ அந்த லென்த் தான் வந்து 90 டிகிரியை மேக் பண்ணும். நீங்க அப்படியே கேப் விடாம டிரா பண்ணுங்களேன். டெஃபினெட்லி யூ see compared to the OP, definitely OP1 is a greater length. Did you accept this? OP1 is a greater length. அதை ஒத்துக்கிடா சாலோ? Can you accept this? OP2 சென்டிமீட்டரா இருந்தா டெஃபினட்டா வந்து OP1 வந்து 3, 4 அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அட்லீஸ்ட் 1 சென்டிமீட்டர் தான் அதிகமா இருக்கும். Can you accept this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Like that, OP1 compared to OP1, it will be greater OP2. In same way, OP3 it increase ஆகிட்டே போகும். Like that, this side compared to OP1 dash இருக்கு, அது வந்து greater. O minus P1 வந்து greater இருக்கும். OP தான் smaller. அதே போல இங்க பாருங்க, O minus P2, same way, O minus P3. So what I am telling, compared to the all the length, which is smaller one, OP is the smaller. The smaller length only will make 90 degree. See, when you just measure in the line மட்டும் தான் பார்க்க 90 மாதிரி தெரியும், வேற எந்த லைனும் தெரியாது. Did you observe that? அதுதான் கான்செப்ட். அதுதான் இங்கேயும் சொல்றாங்க. இது இங்க என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க, ஒரு சர்க்கிளை போட்டுட்டாங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். இங்க இருந்து ஒரு சர்க்கிள் போட்டுனாங்க, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சர்க்கிள் நல்லா வரல, சாரி வெரி சாரி, இந்த சர்க்கிள் ரொம்ப மோசமா வந்துடுச்சு. ஓகே, yeah, I tried to draw the circle but it's not coming. Anyway, like this, இந்த மாதிரி போட்டுட்டாங்க. ஸோ இந்த சர்க்கிள் தான் ட்ரா பண்ணி தியரம் 10.1 எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறாங்க, வேற எதுவும் இல்லை. இந்த மைண்டை நீங்கள் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிட்டு அந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் தியரிட்டிக்கலாக இருக்கும், தேவே எக்ஸ்பிளைன்ட் லைக் தியரிட்டிக்கல் வே, தட்ஸ் இட். யூ ஜஸ்ட் ரிமெம்பர் திஸ் கான்செப்ட் அண்ட் கோ வித் 10.1, யூ வில் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். திஸ் இஸ் 10.1, இவ்வளோதான் 10.1. இதுதான் இந்த கான்செப்ட் தான் அவங்க அழகாக வந்து ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டாக உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. I given a lot, I mean fully I have explained. They said only OQ greater than OP. ஒரே ஒரு லைன் இங்க மட்டும் எடுத்துட்டாங்க, ஒரே ஒரு லைன் Q னு எடுத்து compared to OQ, OP is a smaller, OQ is a greater, so OP is the 90 degree. அந்த மாதிரி அவங்க சொல்லி முடிச்சிட்டாங்க. But I took a lot of points here. Through that you will get some idea. Okay, இதுதானா சில விஷயம், வேற எதுவும் இல்லை. இதை நீ பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Now we'll go for a 10.1. So நாங்கள் இந்த 10.1 exercise வச்சு I will explain some definitions to you. Just listen. 10.1 exercise, page number 209. So இதுலேருந்து நம்ம நிறைய definitions நீங்கள் லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். How many tangent can have a circle? ஒரு சர்க்கிள் இருக்குன்னா அந்த சர்க்கிளுக்கு உங்களால் எவ்வளோ டேஞ்சென்ட்டா ட்ரா பண்ண முடியும்னு கேட்குறாங்க. How many tangent you can able to draw? You just tell me. Can you tell me this?
Infinite, sir.
Yeah, very good. Infinitely we can able to draw. Okay, sorry, just a minute. Yes, infinite tangent we can able to draw. அதுக்கு நம்ம வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. Suppose let me take here. Yeah, I'm drawing one circle. Simply wait.
The last page, sir.
I'm drawing one circle like this. Okay, here let me draw the tangent. Let me draw the tangent like this. Suppose I'm drawing a tangent like this. Suppose I'm drawing like the tangent now. See here in each place we can able to draw small thing. Suppose I'm zooming this. Suppose I will zoom this part. Now வந்து அப்படியே zoom பண்றேன்னா here again you are getting lot of place to draw tangent. பாருங்க இங்க நம்ம டச் பண்ற மாதிரி வந்து draw பண்ண முடியும். Okay, and here also we can able to draw like a touching. So here also we can able to draw the touching. So each place if you zoom, we can able to draw the many tangent. So that is what we are telling. Tangent how many you can able to draw na? Infinite tangent we can able to draw அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Are you understand? Are you understand what I am telling?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is the thing. Question number 1. இதுதான் question number 1ல சொல்ற விஷயம் வந்து how many tangent can have a circle na? You have to say infinite. Okay, infinite tangents நம்மளால draw பண்ண முடியும், அது சொல்லிருக்கோம். And we'll go for a second subdivision 1. What is that? A tangent to circle intersecting dash point. See children, we have one circle. we have one tangent na, this intersecting point is there na, the point name is called what we are asking. That is thing. The tangent to circle intersecting in dash point. What is the point? Point of a contact. This is called what, my dear? Point of a contact. Point of a contact. Are you understand what I am telling?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, point of a contact. Right. Point of a contact. A tangent to a circle intersecting dash points. Points bracket s கொடுத்திருக்காங்களே அதுக்கான மீனிங் என்ன? Plural, singular, how many point ன்னு கேக்குறாங்களா?
Yes, sir.
Means only one point. See, this is only one point. Tangent in the sense exactly will intersect only one point. That's what they given in bracket yes. See, இந்த மாதிரி தான் கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா क्वेश्चन நம்ம வந்து கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. See, statement is not filled properly. How many point அதெல்லாம் கேட்கவே இல்லை. If you observe that, see, a tangent to circle intersect in dash point. Point of contact la meet ஆகும். சடனா நம்ம மைண்ட் அப்படியே போகும். But in bracket, see, அவன் இப்படி போட்டுட்டு point அப்படின்னு சாரி பாயிண்ட் போட்டுட்டு இந்த எஸ் பிராக்கெட்ல கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதுக்கான மீனிங் என்ன? 1 point, 2 points, 3 points. When we will use yes? When it comes plural. எப்போ plural வரும்? 1 or 2 or 3 அப்படின்னும் போது தான் plural வரும். அப்போ you need to give answer in number. 1 சொல்லுவியா, 2 சொல்லுவியா? 1. Okay. But point where it will intersect na, it will intersect in point of contact. But how many points it will intersect na? Only 1 point. Suppose it is intersecting 2 points, then this line is called as what?
Secant.
Very good, very good. Secant. Very good. Yeah, line intersecting a circle at a 2 point, now that is called a secant chalon. Okay. The very important thing we will call as a chord. Chord nu solla mudiyum. This is also intersecting in a 2 point, but this is called a chord. What is the difference between the line 1 and this line segment 2? This is line Maharaja. What is the difference for a line 1 and line segment 2 na? Line 1 after intersecting the circle it is going outside. But the line segment 2 it's not going outside. It is intersecting on the circle and it is stopped. So that only we are calling that line segment 2 is called a chord. After intersecting circle it is going outside na, we will call as a secant. So this difference you need to identify. In circle chapter, this is also very useful. Okay, children. Right. Now we go to second. Second is what? A line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called a dash. Ippa sonna. What? Now only I said. Nalla gavanikkanum. Inga na sollumbodhu I am using the word line segment. I am telling line segment. When I am telling this, I am telling line. So you have to identify by using this. அவன் அதுதான் சொல்றான். A line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called dash. அவன் லைன் சொன்னானா நீங்க எழுதணும் secant. Secant நீங்க எழுதணும். நான் எழுதுறேன், நீங்க secant அப்படின்னு நீங்க எழுதணும். சரிங்களா? secant வந்து G இல்ல, C G வராது, அவ்வளவுதான். சாரி, லைன் வேற போட்டுருக்கோம். யா, secant. அந்த லைன் வந்துட்டே இருக்குமா? Something happened for my okay, yeah, this is a secant. Okay, so when they use a word line, okay, ஒரு லைன் வந்து சர்க்குலர் 2 பிளேஸ்ல இன்டர்செக்ட் பண்ணுதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்கன்னா அது secant ன்னு சொல்லுங்க ஆன்சர். சேம் ஒரு லைன் செக்மெண்ட், லிசன் கேர்ஃபுல்லி, லைன் செக்மெண்ட் இன்டர்செக்டிங் சர்க்கிள் அட் 2 பாயிண்ட் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்கன்னா யூ டெல் தென் கார்ட். லைன் செக்மெண்ட்னு கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா கார்டு, லைன் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா secant. Did you understand the difference between these two?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the second one you have to write secant. Secant you have to write. Okay, right. This is the answer for the second one. Let me go for a third. A circle can have dash parallel. A circle can have dash parallel tangent at most. நான் புதுசா உங்களுக்கு செஞ்சே காமிங்க. ஒரு சர்க்கிள் இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். We have one circle. இப்போ இந்த சர்க்கிளுக்கு அட்மோஸ்ட் உங்களால எவ்வளோ டேஞ்சன்ட் வந்து டிரா பண்ண முடியும் அப்படின்றது தான் அவங்களோட கொஸ்டின். லெட் மீ கோ வித் திஸ். Listen. Suppose I am taking one circle, big size circle. Now let me draw one parallel line. So inga oru parallel. Same I am drawing parallel line for this also. I am telling this too is a tangent for this circle. Definitely it will be parallel. See, இது ரெண்டு லைன் நான் parallel சொல்றேன். வேற எதனா உங்களால parallel at most ரெண்டு இதே மாதிரி 2 பேரா இருக்கணும். It should be parallel. அந்த மாதிரி உங்களால எவ்வளவு டிரா பண்ண முடியும்? இவ்வளவுதான், ரெண்டு தான் டிரா பண்ண முடியும். only 2. சார் I will draw this side sir. I will draw this side. I will draw this side one and this side one. And this together parallel sir. Yes, that together is parallel separately. நல்லா கவனிச்சீங்களா? அது தனியா parallel. இப்போ இது லைன் 1, இது லைன் 2. இது ரெண்டும் parallel இருக்கு. ரெண்டு தான். இது லைன் 3, இது லைன் 4. அது செப்பரேட்டா parallel இருக்கு. Not together parallel. Line 1, line 2, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. இது எல்லாமே ஒண்ணா parallel இருக்கா சார்னா இல்ல. Line 1 and line 2 separately parallel. Line 3 and line 4 separately parallel. So at most how many parallel line we are getting for a circle now? We are getting how many we are getting at most?
2.
That's it, 2. That's it. You want to write 2. I understand. That's it. 2 is the answer for this. Okay. So you just write here 2. 2 parallel da unala seiya mudiyum. That is the concept. Okay. Right. Next line I am going. I mean the fourth one. Let's go for the fourth one. The common point of a tangent to a circle and the circle is called. See what they're telling? The common point of tangent to a circle and the circle. What is that common point of tangent and circle? What is the common point we will call? Tangent ko circle ko common or point nama
Point of
very good. See here, this is the tangent. In the line da tangent na is circle ஒரு point, அந்த tangent ஒரு point common இருக்குனா this is the point. இந்த point தான் circle-க்கும் இருக்கு, tangent-க்கு வருது. So which point we have common for both circle and tangent? If they asked na, that is called the point of contact. That is called the point of a contact. You just remember this thing. You have to focus these kind of things. What is the common point for a tangent and a circle? Again question கேட்டாங்கனா கண்ண மூடிக்கோ, write the answer, point of contact. Simple. Okay children, so these things that you should remember. Are you understand what I am telling now? That's it. It's over. Okay, so this is 10.1. Now we'll go for a next exercise. Sorry, theorem 10.2. So let's go for theorem 10.2 says what? Theorem 10.2 onwards we'll start 3 mark. There is no 5 mark in this chapter. Children, again I am telling, there is no 5 mark in this chapter. Okay, page number 211. 211. At most here we have 3 mark only. 1 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark. Sorry, 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark. There is no 5 mark. See the length of tangent. What is that? The length of tangents. The length of tangents drawn from an external point. Drawn from an external point. Okay, external point to a circle are equal. This is the thing I said. So that is the statement that they have given. They never give to prove, so that like that they will not give. Simply this line only they will give. The length of tangent drawn from an external point to a circles are equal. So let me take one circle. We are taking one circle first. Okay, right. Let me take one circle like this. Yeah, and we are drawing one tangent line. We are drawing one tangent line for this. Let me draw the tangent. Right. Okay, then we'll go for this. The intersecting point, this is there now. That 2 point, this 2 point, let me take something. The external point P I'm taking. This is A and this is B. Here we have a center point O. Okay, From O to A, what you will call O to A? O to A, we know that is radius. Like that, O to B also is a radius. Okay, and this is radius. So here definitely this what is that, from P line to radius will be 90, and like that this is also will be 90. This you can remember. Our aim to prove the length of tangent. Length of tangent is what? PA is the length and PB is the length. This together is the tangent. The length of tangent drawn from an external point. The P is the external point. Yes, we did from the external point to point of circle. Point of circle A and B are equal. So we have to say, or we need to prove PA which is equal to PB. This is we need to prove. That's it. I hope you will understand what they are asking. Now we'll go for our result. Here let me draw one line like this. I mean from OP to OP, just I am joining. Why I am joining OP? Because of getting two triangle. I am going to use here similar triangle I am going to use here, so that only I am joining this together. Let's see children, here we have a two triangle, one a triangle POA. So POA or AO, whatever, PAO and triangle PBO, okay, PB and O. This two triangle I am taking. Here what are the things we have equal? Let's see. What are the things we have equal? Let's see. Because we need any three things equal. A triangle or three sides, whatever. Okay. Let's go for that. First, we will go for a 90 degree. See, A 90, A is a 90. Like that, B also is a 90. Each 90 degree. Each 90 degree. I am writing each 90. How I am telling A angle, B angle is a 90 degree? That is theorem 10.1. Okay, so for the point of contact, if you draw on a line from the center point, it will make 90 degree. Or else point of contact with radius is perpendicular, whatever. That is 10.1 statement. A and B angle is 90 degree. Now what is that? OP is equal to OP. This is what common side for both. Common side. See, this is 3 mark. They will ask common side, or you write a common hypotenuse. Why I am telling hypotenuse? Because 90 degree opposite side hypotenuse only for A and for B. Common hypotenuse this is. That is common hypotenuse for both triangle. That is what I am telling, common side or common hypotenuse. Okay. Next we have a OA which is equal to OB. This is radius. Okay. So radii of a circle. Radii plural form. Radii of a circle. You just write circle. That's it. You see children, this is not similar. Accurately this is concurrent by RHS. Okay. So triangle PAO is concurrent to triangle PBO by RHS. That's it. R in the sense what? Right angle. Any one side. We have right angle here, 90 degree. Right angle in the sense. Okay, it is there. Hypotenuse. Here we have hypotenuse. That's it. Side. The radius also like a side only. Then we have that. So by RHS criterion, I am telling this two triangle is a concurrent. After said concurrent, what we are getting by the CPCT? What I am getting by the CPCT? PA which is equal to PB. By CPCT we are getting this. By CPCT we are getting. That's it. This only they asked to prove. See, PA equal to PB only they asked to prove. We got it. Yes, you can write the one line. Hence, the length of tangents are equal. That's it. We have proved this. So this may ask him. Definitely they may ask him 3 mark or 2 mark. But this is one of the very important theorems. Okay, you just make a note for this thing. In a textbook, they have given a lot of what is that? Some theoretical they are given. This is enough. No need to write that theoretical. We have given all the things like exact proof. This you can go. Okay. If you want to write some theoretical thing now about diagram, you just explain few things. About a diagram, you can explain. The point P be the external point, A be the point of contact, B be the point of contact, and O is the center point of the circle. Like that, you just explain about this diagram. That's it. Understand? Okay, Raja. Right. Now we'll go for the next. Okay. Shall we go to next, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Yes. You just make a note. We'll go to next. Shall we rub this? Okay. Yeah. We're going. Here we go. Now I'm going example 1 from 10th chapter, page number 211. Okay, example 1 from 10th chapter, circle chapter I'm going. Right. What they have to see, prove that in two concentric circle, we have to prove we have two concentric circle. Let's take for a two concentric circle. This is one circle, another circle let me draw here. So this 2 is a concentric circle, like that they have taken. That's it. This two what is the concentric circle they taking? Concentric circle in the sense what is that? Now two circle have same center point O. Two circle have same center point only. We are calling as a concentric circle. Understand, children? Okay. Circle. The chord of a larger circle. Chord in the sense that should be intersected 2 point, but it never cross the circle. It never cross the circle. Children, please mute your mic, everyone. I'm requesting you. Right. So we have to draw one chord for larger circle. Larger circle is the C1. Outside circle I'm taking C1. Inside circle I'm taking C2. C1 is the larger circle. For that we have to draw one chord. But they have given one condition, which means that chord which touches the smaller circle. Yes. So when you draw the chord for bigger one, the chord must be touch the smaller circle. Like that you have to draw. Let me draw this now. You see, I'm going to draw now. See, I'm going to draw like this. I'm drawing here. Did you observe this? See, this yellow color line, chord for circle 1. At the same time, it is touching the, what is that? Smaller circle in one point. The point P, I'm telling. P, I'm telling. Did you observe another one word? Let me give some name for this chord, A and B. The AB is called for circle 1, but the AB is what is for C2? Can you guess, anyone?
Tangent, sir.
Very good,
Okay,
very good. Tangent. So that is the thing. So tangent in the sense, from the center point, if you draw any line to the point of contact, what you will get? 90 degree.
90.
That you need to remember. Right. Now what they ask to find is bisect at the point of contact. We have to say AP equal to PB. So to prove AP length which is equal to PB length. This only we need to bring as a proof. That's it. Shall we do this now? Yeah. For doing this, I'm going to join the triangle. What are these sides? Which side? This one. This one I'm going to join. Okay. Just a minute. Let me join by the dotted line. Yeah. Just I'm joining. Why I'm joining these two things, sir? Because of getting triangle. Because of getting triangle. Now see, we have triangle APO. One triangle. Another triangle we have BPO. We have two triangles. Through that, let's prove this answer. Now I'm going the proof. Let's see this proof along. We'll go here. Okay. I'm taking two triangle. One APO and triangle BPO. That's it. Here, let me write. Our aim to prove these two together equal. Equal in the sense that is called bisect. OP, that OP line bisect the AB line. That we have to see. That is the meaning is AP equal to PB. Bisect na two part equal cut over. Seringla, adha bisect. Right. Now we'll go this two triangle. Here what are the things will be equal? First, OA equal to OB. OA equal to OB. This is radius of a circle 1. Did you observe that? Periya circle oda radius adu vandu OB yum OA yum. Okay. And next, right. Next, what we'll say? Here we have 90 on both sides. APO angle APO, which is equal to angle BPO. This is each 90 degree. Each 90 degree. I told you why it is 90. Because radius always perpendicular to the point of contact. Okay, always perpendicular to the tangent. That is I am telling. And next, OP, which is equal to OP. This is common side. Common side. Anything, any side you just take common side. Okay. Now we can able to say one what? Say anyone said this is 90 degree right angle. This is radius of the C1. I said na. This is will act like hypotenuse, common hypotenuse. So we are again able to say APO is concurrent to triangle BPO by RHS. RHS. Let me tell you which is R. R in the sense here we have each 91. H in the sense what? OA equal to OB. Hypotenuse only. 90 degree opposite side, hypotenuse only. So hypotenuse. Side, common side we are taking. That's it. Therefore, we can able to say AP is equal to PB by what? This is a CPCT, corresponding part of concurrent triangle. This two part will be equal. So AB equal to PB. Now, what is the statement you need to write? That is you need to write that OP is bisect. Please mute your mic, children. Bisect the point of contact. Okay, bisect that point of contact. Point of contact. Like that, you just complete this Rachalam. So these things also they may ask you 2 mark or a 3 mark. I don't know what are the things they have given. அவங்க அழகா வந்து தியரிட்டிக்கலா ரெண்டு லைன் கொடுத்து எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. பட் இந்த மாதிரி ப்ரூஃபா கொடுங்க. They will give a good mark for you. Okay. This is accurate to proof. They have explained in word. They have explained in word. But anyway, you just do like this. Understand, children? Right? Okay. Now we'll go for any other thing. What are the things you have a doubt? Now you tell me from 10.2. Let me go now. You tell me, children, 10.2. What is the doubt we have? Another half an hour we have. We need to go next chapter. Please tell me any other doubts you have in exercise or example. 2, 3. Example 2. Are you clear? Example 2 and 3. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I don't know about the remaining people. Only one student telling yes. Okay, if it is okay, we'll go to next. Okay, example 2 and 3. It's a very important 5 mark. So please, you can learn that. If you have
Example
a doubt, please
3, explain it, sir.
Example 3 is required now. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Raja. Let's go for example 3, children. You just make a note this thing. Okay, right. Now we'll go for example 3. Yeah. So let me go for example 3. Yeah. Example 3 we are going. Okay, what is the example 3? Already they have given diagram. Let's go for the diagram. Okay. They have given diagram. Let me draw that. Here I will draw. We have one circle. We have one circle and we have a tangent also. Sorry. We have a tangents also. Let me draw the tangents. Yeah. So wait. It's going a little bit. From here I will start that. Yeah. Yes, we got it. So what they have given, that is I'm drawing now. I'm not doing anything differently. This is center point O. Okay. Here they have given OP. I mean, this is point P. This is point Q here. What we are, that is point Q. Now they have joined this both point P and O. They have joined. Just I'm drawing what they given the diagram. And OP also. OK also they have joined. And they have joined this thing by the dotted line. That's it, children. So here, let me write what are the things they have given. This intersecting point, they have given something that is R. Okay, and here they have given T. Okay, now what we need to find it, that's easy. Find the length of TP. That's it. So this length TP we need to find it. What are things they have given? OQ is a chord of circle. So this PQ is a chord of circle, length 8. So this full length they have given. PQ equal to 8 centimeter they have given of a circle with radius 5. So this is radius 5. Okay, the previous theorem, children, you see the previous theorem. Now only we have proved what is that? Previous question, previous question பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு கார்டு நம்ம டிரா பண்ணும்போது from the center point நீங்க ஒரு லைனை டிரா பண்ணீங்கன்னா it will be bisect. அது நமக்கு தெரியும். Full length 8 cm னா definitely you will get this is a 4 and this is a 4. That you just remember. So if you want to, for this also proof, you want to do again similar. Sorry, congruent triangle நீங்க திரும்ப பண்ணணும். So we will use a example 1 condition. Okay, so 4 4 divide ஆகும். Right. Next, the tangent P and Q intersect at T. Find the length TP. This is the given thing. Now we'll go for finding the what is that TP. Okay, it's very easy to go. Let me go now. Yeah. First, I'm taking some name, unknown value. Let me find. So here unknown value I given question mark na, that I'm taking like a something x y and the mari edha from T to R I'm taking y, T to R I'm taking. So here let me write let PT what they asked to find, that is I'm taking x, and T to R I'm taking y. Why I'm taking T to R y na, RO I can able to find by using 5 centimeter 4 centimeter. Let me see, this is like a 90 degree, it will make 90 only. Okay, so let me go for this. I'm taking that triangle. What triangle? Triangle, this is center point O, the center point P. You just observe what are the things I'm giving. Okay, and this is R. So this only I'm doing here 90 degree. OP is a radius, so 5 centimeter here we have. PR is bisected, so 4 centimeter. Then what is RO? We can able to find by using the Pythagoras. Yes, 90 degree. What is the Pythagoras theorem says? In a right angled triangle, square of the hypotenuse side, which is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Sum in essence add sum of the square of the other two sides. That's it. 5 square 25, 4 square 16 plus RO square. That is I'm doing in a triangle. In which triangle I'm doing? Triangle I'm doing, this is PRO. This triangle I'm using here, R is a 90 degree. This triangle only I'm using here. So see 25 minus 16, which is equal to RO square. When you subtract this together, I'm getting 9. Okay, here we have RO square. Square goes to opposite na root 3. Then I'm getting 3 is equal to RO. Plus or minus RO you will get. Anyway, I'm getting plus 3 because length should be in positive. Now we got this is 3. Now we can able to write TO is equal to what? TO na this full length from here to here. Yeah, either we have 3 in the y in then full length is what? Y plus 3. That's it. Okay, so then here itself I'm writing this is TO, which is equal to y plus 3. Okay, right. Now we got all the values. Let's go for this. Let's go for this. First, let's take the triangle PRT. I'm taking triangle PRT. What, sir? Why you are taking PRT, sir? We have lot of triangle. PRT irukku, POR irukku, POT irukku, illna TR cubed irukku. ஏன் நீங்க அத மட்டும் எடுக்கறீங்க? ஏனா what we need to find x எங்க இருக்கு? TP. TP ய பேஸ் பண்ணி எத்தனை ட்ரையாங்கிள் வருது அத மட்டும் பாரு. TP ய பேஸ் பண்ணி TPO triangle 1, next TPR triangle 2, அவ்வளவுதான். இது ரெண்டு மட்டும் தான் நீ ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணணும். சார் எவ்வளவு ட்ரையாங்கிள் இருக்கு சார், எப்படி சார் எடுக்கிறதுனா இதுதான். what they asked you to find TP. TP பேஸ் பண்ணி எத்தனை ட்ரையாங்கிள் வருது நல்லா அப்சர்வ் பண்ணு. TPO ஒண்ணா, TPR 2, இந்த 2 இருக்குதுல நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எடுத்துருக்கு. ஓகே, TPR எடுத்துருக்கு. TPR நான் எடுத்துருக்கு. அவ்வளவுதான். PRT, PRT or TPR, whatever. Okay, so here R is the 90 degree. Here R is the 90 degree. Let's use the Pythagoras theorem. இல்லைன்னா உங்களுக்கு நான் புரியறதுக்காக இந்த டயக்ராம் ஒன்றா நான் இங்கே வரைகிறேன் குட்டியா. அங்கே எப்படி இருக்கோ அதே போல் நான் உங்களுக்கு போடுறேன் ஃபார் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் பர்பஸ். இங்கே பின்னு இருக்கு. ஓகே சார், இப்போ நான் என்ன ஆறு தானே எடுத்தேன். ஜஸ்ட் அ மினிட். எப்படி இருக்காது நமக்கு வந்தாங்க. ஓகே, இது வந்து பி பி பாயிண்ட், திஸ் இஸ் ஆர் பாயிண்ட், இது டி. பிஆர் நமக்கு 4ன்னு தெரியும். ஸோ இதுக்கு வந்து ஒய்ன்னு தான் தெரியும் டிஆர். நவ் வில் கோ ஃபார் இங்கே தான் நமக்கு 90 இருக்கு and this is the value of x. Now we'll go for Pythagoras. What is Pythagoras theorem says? pt square which is equal to tr square plus pr square. This is by the Pythagoras theorem I'm doing this. Right children? pt in the sense of what? pt is the x, so x square which is equal tr now y, so y square plus pr. What is the p? 4 square value 16. Take answer number 1. அவ்வளவுதான். இப்போ டிபி பேஸ்டு 2 ட்ரையாங்கிள் இருந்ததுல, ஒரு ட்ரையாங்கிள் பேஸ் பண்ணி என்னால் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண முடியல. பட் ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன் கிடைச்சிருக்கு, வச்சுக்கோ 1ன்னு. வில் கோ ஃபார் நெக்ஸ்ட் ட்ரையாங்கிள். இப்போ டிபி பேஸ் பண்ணி வேற என்ன ட்ரையாங்கிள் வருதுன்னு சொன்னேன். டிபிஓ பெரிய ட்ரையாங்கிள் வருதுல்ல, லெட்ஸ் டேக் தட் ட்ரையாங்கிள் டிபிஓ பெரிய ட்ரையாங்கிள். அதை அப்படியே நான் ட்ரா பண்றேன் பாருங்க. இப்படி வருது உங்களுக்கு, வந்து இப்படி இருக்கு, அங்க வந்து இப்படிதான் இருக்கு. இங்க 90 டிகிரி சிம்பிள், இது 5, இது y plus 3, இதுதான் x. Here which is 90, the t, இங்கேயும் p தான் 90. Okay, இது t, இது வந்து o. Now we'll go for, okay, இங்க t is equal to 90 degree. Let's go for this. What is that here? X square, sorry, not x square, square of the hypotenuse first. Then what is that? Y plus 3 whole square which is equal to x square plus 5 square. What I am doing here? Square of the hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse is the TO square பண்ணாத வந்து y plus 3 வருது. Y plus 3 you can square, that's it. TP square plus TO, sorry, PO square. சரிங்களா? So இது வந்து a plus b whole square இல்லையா? You can square this. A square plus b square plus 2ab, 2a value y and b value 3 which is equal to x square. X square value நமக்கு தெரியும். What is the x square value? By answer number 1. Take. என்ன நமக்கு வந்து y square இருக்கா? y square plus 16. இப்போ இந்த x square தான் நான் அதை எழுதியிருக்கேன். Plus 5 square value 25. That's it. Now you just simplify this. What I'm getting, let's see. See இங்க y square cancel ஆயிடும். ஏன்னா plus opposite இருந்தா cancel. 3 square value 9 plus 2 3s are 6y which is equal to, okay, 16 plus 25. You just add 20, 30, 36, 41. அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, now 6y which is equal to 41 minus 9. Subtract this together. 6y equal to, from the 41 if you subtract 9, what I am getting? 30. 2 oda chalam 32. You just cancel it by the what table? Yeah, second table. 3 times, this is 16 times. So I am getting y is equal to 16 by 3. But I want to find what? X, not y. Let's go for finding the x. X வேணும் நம்ம என்ன சொல்ல போறோம்? Answer 1 you take. Answer 1 I'm taking. So x square which is equal to, we knows that what? X square which is in the place பத்தாது. இருங்க, let me go here. இங்க போடலாம் இருங்க. X square which is equal to y square. Y value we know 16 divide 3 whole square plus 16. அவ்வளவுதான். Apply the square. 16 ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணினா 216 ஆ, 3 ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணினா 9 plus 16 இருக்கு. Take cross multiple. 16 into 9. What I am getting? 216 plus 16 into 9 now 144 whole divided by 9. Just add this together. 144 plus 216 you can add. What I am getting? 6 plus 4 na 0 remaining 1.
360 sir.
360 வருதா? 360 divided by 9. நான் இதை தப்பு பண்ணிட்டேனே, மல்டிபிள் தப்பு பண்ணிட்டேன், சாரி. 16 ஸ்கொயர் வந்து 256. அதெல்லாம் தப்பு பண்ணியிருக்கேன். 256. Now you can add 256. 144 add பண்ணா சொல்லலாம். What I am getting? Let's see. என்ன வருது பாருங்க.
400.
400 sir.
400. Here we have x square. So அப்போ x மட்டும் வேணும்னா 400 divide 9. ரூட் எடுத்தோம்னா 400 answer 20. 3 answer 3. அவ்வளவுதான். 20 by 3 is our required answer. So x equal to, we are getting 20 divided 3. That's it, is our required answer. Here we have at last. So this is 5 mark. It's little a big one. The concept is what? 2 triangle you have to take. In the 2 triangle we have to use only Pythagoras theorem. In 2 triangle itself we have to use only Pythagoras theorem. We are not using anything. அதோட எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது அப்படினா, let me tell you again. நல்லா பாருங்க. TP find பண்ண சொன்னாங்க. See the diagram here. TP find பண்ண சொன்னாங்கலாம். இந்த TP ல பாருங்க. Okay, see the TP. இந்த TP பார்த்தாலே உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். இந்த TP based எத்தனை ட்ரையாங்கிள் வருது பாரு. TPO ட்ரையாங்கிள் 1 பெருசு. TPR ட்ரையாங்கிள் 2. இந்த ரெண்டு ட்ரையாங்கிள் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். இத மைண்ட்ல ஏத்திக்கோ. அவ்வளவுதான். மத்ததெல்லாம் plus minus addition subtraction this only. Remaining things definitely you will get the answer. Okay children, I get that. I get some idea about this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, shall we go to next chapter, 8th chapter? We have just 20 minutes. Shall we go to 8th chapter?
Yes, sir.
Exercise
Yes, sir.
number 9. Okay. Right. So ஒரு சிலது பெருசா இருக்கு. எக்ஸசைஸ்ல நிறைய சம் இருக்கு. ஒரே ஒரு குழந்தை மட்டும் தான் டவுட் கேட்டிருக்கு. வேற யாரும் கேட்கல. மத்த குழந்தைங்களா ஓகேவா? You have any other doubt in exercise thing? Exercise?
No, sir.
Okay, then we'll go to next. Okay, you just please make a note of this thing if you want.
Sir.
You please make a note.
Sir, in triangle TPO, angle D equal to 90 degree you written, sir.
Where? Here. Yeah, triangle TPO. That's not a problem. Okay, you no need to write what is the right angle in the middle. That's not a problem. We can write anything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Right, ma. Any other things, Rachala? Shall we go now? Example 3, 5 mark, my dear. Example 3 is a 5 mark. Example 3 is a 5 mark only. Now what I did, that is a 5 mark only. Okay. Right, ma. Now we'll go for the chapter number 10. Right, sir? Yeah.
Sir, example 3 bookல similarities use பண்ணிருக்காங்களே சார்.
You see the next condition, note or alliter method னு கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. ஏன் similar யூஸ் பண்ணானே? வேற மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ண வராதா?
Okay.
I used alliter method, okay, which is comfortable for you, that you can use. I told you, if you are feeling comfortable with a similar method, you can go with a similar, no problem. Understand, children?
Okay.
Okay. Right, Raja. Now we are going chapter number 8. So in chapter number 8, you are feeling which is difficulties. Like I'm asking, sums are formulas. You tell me, children. Introduction to trigonometry. Trigonometry நிறைய பேர் ரீதாட் கேட்டிருந்தீங்க. But everyone be quiet when I'm asking about this chapter. You just tell me, children, please. Introduction to trigonometry. What are the doubts we have? Please tell me.
Identities.
நிறையவே இருக்கு. Okay, then we'll go all the sums one by one. Okay, how much is possible to do? We can. Okay. Let's do all the thing one by one. We just listen. First, we'll start from an example. Okay, right. So let's go for see here a few questions. Example 2 பாருங்க. Example 2, page number 178. CBSE book 178. Okay. Example 2. Here the people asked one day, few students came, they asked me like that. Okay, angle B, angle Q are acute angles. Such that sine B it is equal to sine Q. Okay, then prove that we have to bring angle B which is equal to angle Q, like that. So here listen, children, they comparing exercise sums and example sums. In exercise what they given, let me tell you both. This is that. Yeah, question number 6. Okay, this is exercise 8.1, question number 6, let me write. Okay, if same angle A if angle B are acute angles, okay, such that cos B, sorry, cos A they have it. Cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A which is equal to angle B, like that. So if you observe one thing here, they have given here angle B and angle Q. If you are taking any triangle, like this, you will take ABC like this. So Q is there. Q in the sense we have Q where it is possible PQR. But they said B angle, Q angle acute na, we have to start from here, ABC, like that you have to start. So PQR, like that we have to start. So now B angle, Q angle will be acute. Okay, now let's go for here, where this question, A and B. Here not a two different name. This is like a consecutive name. ABC, alphabetically, it is a consecutive name. அப்போ இது வந்து ஒரே triangle or a different triangle. அது ஒரு doubt குழந்தைங்களுக்கு வரும். So A, B, C. C 90 சார். இப்படி நான் செய்யலாமா சார்? ஓகேங்களா? Actually இது வந்து same triangle. You have to do like this one. This is correct. Okay, இது வந்து இந்த மாதிரி போடணும். ஒரு சில குழந்தைங்க கேட்குறாங்க எக்ஸாம்பிள் சம்ஸ் நீங்கள் பெருசாக வருதே சார், இந்த சம் போட்டிங்கன்னா குட்டியாக வருது, ரொம்ப ஷார்ட்டாக வித்தின் 5 or 6 steps we are getting answer, but for this we have to do at least 10 to 15 steps we have to do, sir. Example 2 again. Yeah, we have to do, because here we have two different triangle, here we have same triangle, but அதை mention பண்ணல. angle B on same triangle சொல்லியிருக்கா? இல்லை. But இருந்தாலும் நம்ம ABC general acute, I mean sorry, what is that? See, continuum name என்றதால we are taking in single triangle. Okay, so இதை நீங்க சிம்பிளா போடலாம் by using that opposite by adjacent முடிச்சிட்டு side equal னா angle equal அப்படினு முடிச்சிட்டு போயிடலாம். இது வேற. But இது you cannot do like that. It will come like a big size only. Okay, இதை நீங்க கம்பேர் பண்ணி அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் சில்ட்ரன், இது நீங்க பாருங்க. இதுல இந்த மாதிரி சம்ஸ் ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு டவுட் இருந்தா நீங்க கேட்கலாம். அதாவது how to ask doubt, how to understand the question, அதை நான் இப்போ சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஏன்னா ஒரு சில குழந்தைகள் வந்து இது பெருசா இருக்கு, இது சின்னதா இருக்கு, ஆனா ரெண்டும் சேம் மெத்தட் தான், ஏன் சார் இப்படி செய்யறாங்க அப்படின்னு டவுட் ஒரு சில குழந்தைங்க வரும். அந்த குழந்தைங்க தான் இதை நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஓகே, ரைட். நவ் டெல் மீ சில்ட்ரன், நவ் யூ ஜஸ்ட் ரியலைஸ் யுவர் டவுட்ஸ் அண்ட் யூ கேன் ஆஸ்க். ஓகே, இங்க ரொம்ப பெரிய டவுட்ஸ்னா லாஸ்ட் எக்ஸசைஸ்ல தான் குழந்தைங்க இருக்கும். ஐ வில் டூ லாஸ்ட் எக்ஸசைஸ். Last 8.4, I will do 8.4 fifth Roman. And 8.4 fifth Roman le nearest we have 10 sums. In 10 sums only people have a lot of doubts. We will go there. Okay, right. So in the 10 sum, Raja, page number 193, please everyone take. In page number 193, last 10 sums irukilla. From that only they will ask 3 mark and 5 mark. In that you have any doubts based on this also in exercise or example, where from 13, 14, 15, example 13, 14, 15 and Roman 5. In the sum la edha doubt irundha neenga kekkala, I will do. Illana naane dhaan seiyanum, naane select panni seiren. Third one, let's see the third one. Eppiyume kuandinga the doubt varum, tan theta divide 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta whole divide. What is that? 1 minus tan theta, which is equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. Right. So இது எப்படி நம்ம செய்யணும்னு பார்க்கலாம். Let me listen. Write on this. Cot theta. Okay, this is cot theta. Yeah. Now let's see this. Shall not this sums we can able to do by sine cos method, by using tan, by using cot. The 3 types இருக்கு. So நான் உங்களுக்கு sin cos யூஸ் பண்ணியே சொல்றேன், because நம்மளோட சிலபஸ்ல வந்து based on sin cos problem important அப்படினு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So I will go with the sin cos. Okay. So 2021 I mean 2020 to 21 academic year, they said based on sine cos problem important, like that they said. So that I'm going to do these things by the sine cos. Okay. So tan theta, here I'm going to use tan theta equal to sine theta divided cos theta, like that. Cot theta equal to cos theta divided sine theta. This two formula I'm going to use. In between I'm going to use some algebraic identity also. Okay. Now let's see what I'm doing. Proof. I'm taking left hand side here. Left hand side, which is a critical one. Sir, you are taking suddenly left hand side. How you are telling me suddenly you are taking left hand? When you looking the what is the left hand and right hand, which is the critical side, that you take, bring the simplest one. That's it. So I feel the critical side is left hand side. So I'm taking tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus here we have a cot theta divided 1 minus tan theta. Let me go this. Tan in the sense we know that sin theta divided cos theta whole divided 1 minus cot in the sense cos theta divided sin theta plus cot again. So cos theta divided sin theta whole divided sin 1 minus tan in the sense sin theta divided cos theta, like that. Let me do. Okay, now you take cross multiple the sign here, like that. This cos also you take cross multiple. So what I am getting, sin theta divided cos theta whole divided 1 into sin theta. I am getting 1 into sin theta. I am getting sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta divided sin theta whole divide. When you take cross 1 into sin cos theta minus what we have here, sin theta whole divided, what is that? What we have in denominator cos theta, it will come cos theta. So now I'm going to bring the numerator value into denominator. So what I'm getting, sin theta, okay, divided, let me do, divide will do in a proper divide. Yeah. So divide cos theta multiply. When it comes in numerator, it will come like that. Sin theta divide. It will be reciprocal. No. So that sin theta minus cos theta plus. Again, this is what cos theta divide sin theta. So when it's what is that? The denominator goes to numerator. It will be reciprocal. So cos theta whole divided cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, this is the thing. And now sin into sin, we are getting sin square theta whole divided cos of sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, plus here also cos into cos square theta whole divided sin theta into, now you just listen. Hereafter just I simplify. After the step only I am going to do for my sums required items. Okay, now you just take some common value. See here, inga vande sin theta minus cos theta, minus for cos. But see here, cos theta minus sin theta, minus for sin. So you want to bring same, so that I'm taking one minus commonly outside. So plus the cos will change into minus, minus sin will come into what is that, plus. So plus sin theta minus cos theta. When I'm taking that minus, it is happening. Now in denominator, sin minus cos, sin minus cos. I am taking outside in denominator itself. So sin theta minus cos theta, I am taking in denominator itself. Commonly I am taking outside. Then what I have the remaining here. In the first case, I have sin square theta divided what I have here, only cos theta minus. Okay, and this is why I am giving here minus. See, plus into this minus minus. Numerator we have cos square theta divided we have remaining sin theta. So that is I am writing. Now what you will do this step? Nothing. So take cross multiple again. Again I am taking cross multiple. So 1 by sin theta minus cos theta. When I am taking cross multiple, sin into sin. Already here we have sin square. Here sin na. I am getting sin cube theta minus. Like that cos square into cos. So I'm getting cos cube theta whole divided cos into sine. Cos theta into sine theta. Let me write like that. Now see the numerator. Here I'm going to use some identity. What is that? Some formula. This is a cube minus b cube. This formula I'm going to use. So what is that? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This what is the algebraic identity I'm going to use. Here a cube minus b cube. Now a value sine theta and b value cos theta. Like that I'm going to use it. So this also you just remember. Now here I'm not doing anything. Same sine theta minus cos theta. Now I'm going to apply the formula. This is sine cube minus cos cube. Now first a minus b. What is that? Sine theta minus cos theta. We got it. Next a square in the sense a value is sine only na. So sine square theta and plus ab means what? Sine into cos. Sine theta into cos theta. Next plus b square. What is the b square? Cos. So you just do cos square theta. That's it. Whole divided by what we have here. Cos theta into sine theta. That's it. Close this bracket. Okay. Now here, did you listen to one? We have some common value that you cancel. Sine theta minus cos theta. Sine theta minus cos theta is cancelled. At the same time, sine square plus cos square, which is equal to, we know, is 1. So that is I'm going to use. I have cancelled it. Then outside nothing. 1 is there, limit, no problem. Sine square plus cos square, I know 1 plus sine into cos. Remaining I have sine theta into cos theta. We have this. Whole divided by here we have cos theta into sine theta. So the denominator is common for both numerator. So 1 divided cos theta into sine theta. Plus is there, plus again what is that? Sine theta into cos theta divided cos theta into sine theta. What I am doing? I am splitting the divider for both numerator. Now here this is fully cancelled 1. Okay. But this is 1 by cos. 1 by cos we know that secant theta into like that 1 by sine we know that that is cosecant theta plus after cancel all the thing I have 1. So I'm going to rewrite this 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. So I taken LHS, I got RHS. Hence it is proved. That's it. So this is one of the very repeated and standard question. This is 5 mark only. So this type of question also you should listen. Here nearest will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th step only we are getting answer. So 11th step you have to do. Okay. So maximum 5 mark it will come. In trigonometry definitely more than 7 step will come 5 mark in the sense. More than 7 step definitely will come. So what are the formula we are using, that is also I have mentioned here. So you just carefully watch this thing and focus and get it. Okay. And any other sums na, you people will ask which maybe 5th subdivision. Am I right? 5th subdivision only you have a doubt. Am I right? Shall we go 5th subdivision or some other question? Dear students, are you getting my voice? Student, what happened for you?
Sir, explain example 15, sir.
Example 15. Okay, example 15. Let's go for example 15. Okay. Okay. I don't know whether it's visible. Yeah, that's what I'm doing again. Example 15. Let's go now. So now we have completed this. Let's go for example 15. Yeah. So example 15 also 5 mark only. That is also enough. Also one of the very important one. Prove that, but it's very easy. So sine theta minus cos theta plus 1 whole divide. Here sine theta plus cos theta minus 1 which is equal to 1 divided secant theta minus tan theta. Right. So this is the thing we need to prove. Okay, children. Right. Let me use here in the question itself they mentioned use the identity secant square equal to 1 plus tan square. They said use what is that secant square which is equal to 1 plus tan square. This identity they mentioned in the hint they have given. but don't expect this int for your exam. Understand? Right. So you itself, you need to assume or you need to think what we have to do. Left hand side I am taking because critical side for me, left hand side. Right hand side I am going to bring. But you just listen carefully. Left hand side fully it is sine cos based. But right hand side we have secant and tan. So what you will do for this? All the left hand side things we have to convert in the form of 1110. Yeah, thank you. Okay, now we'll convert the given question into secant and tan. Listen, children. So we have sine theta. Listen, sine and cos. Sine and cos. What number if you divide, it will change into secant and tan? Simple. If you divide by cos this, it will change into tan. If you divide by cos here, it will come 1. But where is secant? How you will get? Don't worry, here 1 is there. So 1 if you divide by cos, it will come secant. Simple. So numerator we have sine, we have cos, we have 1. See, sine is there, cos is there, 1. Commonly, if you divide this all the things, you will get the required tan and 1 and secant. See, in answer 1 is required, secant is required, tan is required. So you will get all these things. What is the thing is required 5. So that I am going this type of steps. Okay, let me do this. Wait. I am doing right children. Now we'll go for this. It's one. I'm going so that I'm going to divide cos sin theta minus cos theta plus 1. I'm dividing cos theta in numerator. Like that, in denominator also I'm doing whatever you dividing or you multiplying, you should do in both numerator and denominator. Then only it is like a cancel. Question will not change. That's I'm telling. Okay. So you just do it this. This cos applicable for all the things. So sine by cos minus cos by cos I'm doing for all the thing plus 1 by cos we are doing for all divide. Now sine by cos plus what is that? Cos divided cos minus 1 divided cos. We are dividing like that. So this is cancel 1, this is cancel 1. Let's see the remaining. Sine by cos tan minus 1 is there. 1 by cos we know secant. Okay, whole divided. What is the sine by cos? Again in denominator also tan. Cos cancel 1 minus 1 by cos is a secant. Now let's go. So don't change anything in the denominator. I'm not doing anything, as well as I'm writing what we have here. I'm writing. But in numerator, just I'm writing first secant theta plus tan theta, because in a question we need the first secant and tan, and last we have 1 minus 1. You just listen children. 1 in the sense I'm going to use identity based on secant and tan. We know based on secant and tan one identity. What was that? See, secant square minus tan square, which is equal to 1. This identity I am going to use. Right children? So let's use this identity. So instead of this 1, I am going to give this in the next step. See, secant theta plus tan theta. Instead of 1, I am writing this secant square theta minus tan square theta. Whole divide. What we have here? Tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. See children, secant square minus tan square, it is in the form of like a square minus b square. So we know that a square minus b square now, it is like a plus b into a minus b. This also I am going to use in the next step. Okay children, now let's go. See, first secant theta plus tan theta, I am not doing anything. That as well as I am writing what we have. So secant theta plus tan theta. Here we have minus of a square minus b square model. So I am writing secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, just a minute. one line something came. We'll rub this. Yeah. Now secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. This is like what actually? A plus b into a minus b. Whole divided. Denominator, I'm not doing anything. Same. Tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. I didn't do anything in denominator. You people also will do like that. Sir, why you are doing denominator itself, not doing anything, sir? அப்படின்னு ஒரு கொஸ்டின் குழந்தைங்க வரலாம். ஸோ ஐ எம் செலக்டிங் நியூமரேட்டர். நியூமரேட்டரில் ஒன்று இருக்குல்ல, அதை மட்டும் நான் எடுத்தேன். சார் நான் டினாமினேட்டர் ஒன்று எடுக்க போகிறேன் சார். எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Any one. You can select numerator or denominator. Either that or this. Any one. I have selected a numerator. I am doing this. Suppose நீங்கள் டினாமினேட்டரில் ஒன்றை மாற்றுறீங்கன்னா நியூமரேட்டர் எது டச் பண்ணக்கூடாது. What I am doing denominator அப்படியே எடுத்துகிட்டே வரல. அதே போல் நியூமரேட்டர் you want to bring if you are doing in denominator. Okay children? Right. Right, அவ்வளவுதான். Now see Raja, secant plus tan common. So I'm going to take outside. So secant plus tan, I'm taking commonly outside. Then what I have remaining here, in this case, nothing, 1. Minus of, what is this? Secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. Denominator, I'm not doing anything. What is that? Tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. Okay. Now see, secant theta plus tan theta, I'm not doing anything. That minus you multiple inside, 1 minus of secant theta, minus into minus plus tan theta. Like that you just write. Denominator same, I'm not doing anything. So tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. You just listen carefully children. Now, see, plus 1 plus 1. Minus secant, plus tan. So numerator, this is cancelled. Now what I have the remaining, let's see. Here I have secant theta plus tan theta. So this is also one rule. Instead of this, what is that? 1 by secant minus tan irukla, adukku badali idhuvum kepanga. Okay, so let's this. Now if you are taking reciprocal for this, you will get the answer. Secant theta plus tan theta. இதை நீங்க கான்ஜுகேட் மாதிரி பண்ணுங்க. What is the, I'm multiplying secant theta minus tan theta and I'm dividing secant theta minus tan theta. Why I'm doing this? Because this is required. Secant minus tan is required. So I'm multiplying and I'm dividing. Now in denominator we have secant theta minus tan theta. See the numerator, a plus b into a minus b. So we can able to write a square minus b square. So secant square minus tan square. That we know very well, 1. Here we have. So 1 divided secant theta minus tan theta. That's we need to prove. We got it RHS. So I took left hand side, I got RHS. That's it. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th step and 12th step. Only we are getting this answer. Okay. So this is the things Rachalo. You first 2 step, what is that? Romba simple na pannadhu. அது ஒரு பெருசா ஒண்ணும் இல்லை, அதை பார்த்துக்கோங்க. So this is the thing, the example 15. Example 15 இந்த மாதிரி. But textbook they have used some other thing. This is very easy. Easy in the sense like a logical. எல்லா ஸ்டெப்பும் connectivity இருக்கும். Why we are using from here to here like that. You have connectivity. So you can use this method. Understand children? Thank you. Your time is over. 11:10. Actually I took another 2 minutes. Thank you children. Bye. The continuation we will see tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Happy Christmas children. Okay, thank you.